The best thing about CTE is it helps you discover who you are as a person and what you want to pursue in life. 10 years ago, seeing a car going down the road that looks so cool and awesome, I wouldn't ever imagine that I would be able to do that, but now taking this class and realizing that I can do those things, it just pushes me to keep going. I chose auto collision because it takes art and hands-on and just working as a team and really puts it all together. I really found that this is my calling and this is my passion in life. This is an actual career that I can make a living out of, so doing something I love doing and getting money for it, how's that not awesome? My name's Chloe Harvey. I'm from Waldoboro, Maine, and I'm studying auto collision repair at CTE. It's the best thing I've ever done.